What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the Lineage protein bar. I got the chocolate chip cookie dough, but I've also had their chocolate flavor and their mixed berry flavor. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you what I like about this bar and which flavor is my favorite, and just kind of compare them to other protein bars and just share my thoughts on them overall. Just a quick review. So the ingredients are grass-fed whey and collagen. That's where you're getting protein and amino acids. Then you have organic coconut nectar and organic raw honey, which are your sweeteners essentially. And then you have grass-fed beef tallow, which is a nice source of fat. And then you have organic chocolate chips for flavoring, organic vanilla extract, obviously chocolate and vanilla go well together, and some salt. And that is it. It also has, well, organic coconut sugar as well, organic cocoa butter as well. So it's 20 grams of protein per bar, and I like that they actually put that on the bar itself. So you kind of know when you eat it every time, it says 20 G's, 20 grams of protein. So I really like that. It's actually a pretty small bar. The packaging, there's about my thumb width, and it's about that size. So I don't know, I would say that's like, I don't know, 4 inches. It's a pretty small bar overall. So you're not getting a ton of calories, but you're getting a pretty high amount of protein, which I like. In terms of the flavor, the chocolate chip cookie dough compared to the chocolate, compared to the mixed berry, I would actually say the mixed berry is my #1 flavor. And the reason for that is because the mixed berry is just more unique than other flavors. The chocolate chip cookie dough and chocolate are more standard. It seems like every protein bar has a chocolate flavor. So it's just more standard. I actually like the chocolate more than the chocolate chip cookie dough. And I like the mixed berry more than all three of them. So in terms of the quality of the ingredients, I mean, everything is organic, everything is like grass-fed, high quality. There's no fillers, no seed oils, no sugar alcohols, no fiber syrups, no gluten, no gums or emulsifiers or preservatives. It is 100% simple, clean ingredients. And I do like that it has whey protein. This is the best protein for building muscle. And then collagen as well. The one thing I don't really know, which I wish that I knew, it says 100% grass-fed bovine collagen, but it doesn't say what type of collagen. So I don't know, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if it's for hair, skin, joints, whatever, right? Like I'm not sure what type of collagen it is. But overall, I would give these bars a really high review simply because they're the cleanest bar you can possibly get in terms of quality. And they're delicious, and you're getting a lot of protein per bar. For the amount of calories you're consuming and the size of the bar, you're getting 20 grams of protein. So if you're looking to build muscle, whey protein is the best for building muscle, and then you're getting a delicious bar with that. So, and once again, to rank my flavors, mixed berry #1, chocolate #2, chocolate chip cookie dough, which is this one, I would say is my third. I hope they come out with more flavors. I've just noticed a lot of bars are chocolate oriented, which I'm not a huge fan of because I know a lot of chocolate does contain lead. And obviously you don't want a lot of lead in your body as a heavy metal. But this doesn't have a ton of chocolate in it, the chocolate chip cookie dough. I think the vanilla and other things, beef tallow, honey, and other things kind of make up for the sweetness and flavor in the chocolate chip cookie dough bar. Specifically, the chocolate has a bit more, but I like the flavor more, and the mixed berry is absolutely delicious. So I really like this bar. I also mix it up with another brand called Paleovalley. Their bars are bone broth protein. So bone broth protein is gonna be really good for your gut health and gut lining, whereas whey protein is gonna be really great for your muscles and your hair and your skin and your nails. But bone broth protein is actually really good for your hair, skin, and nails too. The thing I like about Paleovalley bars is that I think they have like 13 grams of protein per bar, so not as much protein, but they give you a wider array of micronutrients. So for this, you're going more for the protein and you're getting a lot of protein with your Lineage bars. But with Paleovalley, this brand, you're actually getting a lot of micronutrients, a lot of antioxidants, a lot of minerals and vitamins, and they have a really great range of flavors. Apple cinnamon is amazing, lemon meringue is amazing, red velvet's amazing. They have a lot more different flavors. Yeah, they have chocolate too, but they have a lot of different flavors, the red, the green, the yellow, and you're getting more phytonutrients and the rainbow of colors that are beneficial for your body and your health. So I tend to mix it up when I'm needing protein after a long workout, I go for Lineage. But if I'm just looking to get more vitamins and minerals in my body and have something really delicious that is not chocolate, I get a Paleovalley bar. So I will link both those up below. Both links will be discounts. I believe Lineage link is like 5% off, and then the Paleovalley link is 15% off. So I'll link both of those up below. And if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands that I've personally vetted as a health and wellness coach, these are high quality brands of foods, supplements, health technology, biohacking equipment, barefoot minimalist shoes, the best coffee in the world, which is right behind me, Purity Coffee, and so much more. Check out the link below, healthywildfree.com/shop. In the comment section, click that link and you'll get discount codes to a ton of different brands and discover a lot of really great high quality health products. Make sure to subscribe, leave your comments and questions below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.